This is a quick fitting guide to demonstrate how these headlights are fitted into a Mini R50, R53 and R52 convertible. The original ones were looking very tired. We've took the opportunity to upgrade our headlights. So let's get started. Press the tab on the plug and remove the plug assembly. Remove the three 8mm nuts that hold the headlight unit into the bonnet. Lift the headlight out. So here you can see the old headlight we've removed against the new upgrade. The chrome work was starting to look a bit pitted and the headlight lenses were getting really white and milky. These headlights are handed. At the bottom of the lens, each headlight is marked with an L and an R, left and right. Locate the new headlights into position and refit three 8mm nuts. Plug the wiring harness back into the vehicle. This headlight set is equipped with a halo angel eye ring and a DRL. The DRL bulb is powered using the red and black wire which is attached to the headlight. This needs feeding down and splicing into the sidelight wire in the front bumper. To allow the halo ring to illuminate, we need to splice the wire, which is the black and white wires, into the red and black wire coming from the headlight. So basically what this does is it will pick a feed up from the side light in the front bumper. You can then have the side light in the headlight illuminated and the halo ring at the same time. What we've also done here is we removed the side light bulb out of the bulb holder in the front bumper. So when I've wired the halos here, all I've done is peel back a bit of the insulation from the wires, as you can see. This just keeps all the joints and everything as tidy as possible. Once all the wiring is all joined and complete, we've just used tie wraps or zip ties just to secure any loose wiring and try and keep things tidy. This is quite an easy job to do at home. This took us around 25 minutes to do this all in all. The overall build quality on these headlights is really good. Please see the links below in the description if you would like to purchase these. This will direct you to our eBay store or our website.